Namaste student. Today we are going to see division of algebraic expression. So here we have three rule, one for division of monomial by monomial, another for division of polynomial by monomial, and the third one is division of monomial by a monomial. Here, before starting, let's recapitulate sign rule. Here already we are familiar with the sign rule of multiplication, and you can see here sign rule of division. Plus plus will give you plus, plus minus give you minus, minus plus give you minus, and minus minus give you plus. This will be applicable generally for your monomial by monomial and the polynomial by monomial. In that case we'll apply it here. Okay, not only in this, in third also will apply. So one by one we're going to see here. Now the first one, that is quotient of two monomial. How are you going to get? Now if we'll take two monomial, like if I'll say here 8x cube y cube divided by 2x square y, like this. So what we're going to do here, the rule is that quotient of their numerical, that means 8 by 2, we'll separate it here into, now just you see the variable like x and x base are same, so there's a divide symbol. The divide, what we do, x cube divided by x square, we write here x to the power 3 minus 2. When the base same, divide rule, then there's a subtraction. So here we're going to do 3 minus 2, and here y cube minus 1, because there's a 1. Now after that 2 will get here 4, so 4 x to the power 1 will get, and y square. This is your answer. Now you may say that, sir, if it is like this, 2x square y divided by 8x cube y cube, like that. So what we're going to do in this case, we'll get here 2 by 8 like that into x to the power 2 minus 3 and y to the power 1 minus 3. Here we'll get 2 under 2, 2 will get half. Here x to the power minus 2 and y to the power minus. So here 2 is there, 1 will get here x to the power minus 1, and here we'll get x to the power minus 2. Now your answer will be 1 by 2, and x will be at the denominator, that is, we know that x to the power minus 1 will give you 1 by x, that means your x will be here, and y to the power minus 2 will give you 1 by y square, so it will be your y square. So your answer is this, and it is valid for your monomial only. We'll apply monomial like that. Okay, now same, if I'll take here monomial like 2x square y, and there's a division also. If we have like this plus if we put here, and 12 we write here, and 8x cube y, and divide this whole thing by 2xy. Okay, like this. Now how are you going to do in this case? Here separately you need to take, first is the way we have done like multiplication, this with this multiplication we do for multiplication rule. So here also we will use here 12 by 2, so you can write like this also, 12x square y by 2xy, this way, plus 8x cube y by 2xy. Separately you can write like this, and after writing you can write like this, 12, 6 we are getting 6, and x to the power 2 minus 1 and y 1 minus 1, plus 4 we are getting, so 4 x to the power 3 minus 1 and y to the power 1 minus 1. So here we are getting 6x to the power 1, as 2 minus 1 will give you 1 and 1 minus 1 will give you 0, and we know that y to the power 0 will give you 1. So you can limit it, or you can write it here. For the next step we'll proceed here like this, so you can write here 6x plus 4x square. This is your answer. And if so next we'll see here, next you can see that monomial by monomial, and in that case we cannot apply this law. Okay, this type of law, in that case we'll go for your long division method, we'll follow certain rule. Okay, here these are quite simple, so you can apply this two concept here already we have, that is. Now we'll go for your third law, means third one. For third one you have 4 step. Okay, so here are these, so just you see it. Now using this law, we'll divide the polynomial by polynomial. And before discussing this one, first we have to know about the degree, little bit degree. Okay, so what is this? So if you look at here, this polynomial, that means expression, here you can see that there's a power 2. Highest power is which? 2. Here 1, and there's nothing, means x to the power 0. That means here degree is 2. And for this polynomial or expression, here the degree is 1. Remember, an expression is said to be polynomial, okay, if their powers, variable powers, are whole number. Okay, you will see this one in high classes, but right now we go for this as a polynomial, and this we call a binomial, but both are polynomial, remember. Okay, no problem in this case. Now we'll not enter into that, just what we have right now in our syllabus, we'll go for that. So here your target, whenever you get, your dividend will be the highest degree part. Remember, if question will be given like that, x plus y, divide x plus 1 by this, no, you cannot do in that case, you need to leave it. Okay, but if there's a monomial, then you can go for that, no problem, which already we have seen. But for this case, if both are not monomial, in that case you cannot go when your dividend is, means dividend degree is less than your divisor degree. So it should not be like that. Okay, so for first one, arrange the term of the divisor and dividend in descending order of their degree. This is your first rule. So just you look at here, 2, 1, nothing, means 0. So it is in order, descending order, and here also 1, nothing, means 0. So both are in order. This is your dividing and this is your divisor. So long division method will take here x plus 1, and here 2x square plus 3x plus 1. This is your first step. First you arrange it. Like if I'll take this problem, here we have another problem. If you look at this one, in this case what we're going to do, if we want to arrange it, see here, this is not in arrange order, but this is already in arrange order. So we'll take here x minus 2, and here you need to take here x cube first, and then minus 6x square plus 9x minus 2, nothing, means plus, and you need to arrange it like this. Okay, and then you need to proceed. Okay, let's enter into the first one. After that, the second step, if you look at that, divide the first term of the dividing. Divide the first term of the dividing. Our target would be the first term, remember, first term, by the first term of the divisor. By the first term of the divisor, your target, divide this by this first term to obtain the first term of the quotient. Here to get the quotient will be here divisor, and whatever remain, that is the remainder. Okay, so how are you going to do? You need to think, forget about this statement, whatever it is written. Listen right now, take the first part, here we have, and take this one, and here just you need to see that what number or expression you need to multiply here with x, so that you will get this one. So here we have 1, so we need 2, and x is already there, we need x. So you can see that x into x will give x square, and 1 into 2 will give you 2. That means your target will be 2x. So we'll take it here 2x, and this 2x, take this 2x, and whatever divisor is there, x plus 1, you multiply it. 2 into x, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 will give you 2x. So take this one and substitute here, 2x square plus 2x. Now subtract. Third step they are saying here, multiply all the terms here, multiply all the term of the divisor by the first term, multiply all the term of the divisor by the first term of the quotient, and subtract the result from the dividend. Subtract the result. Okay, and for subtraction we know the rule is that change the symbol. Change the symbol. If there is a plus, it is already plus only. If there is a minus, we'll take here plus. If there is a minus, we'll take plus. Okay, your first target, remember, always your first target will be there. Cancel it. Okay, now subtract what we're going to get here. 3x minus 2x will get x, and there is a plus 1, and you can see that both are same. So here x plus 1 into 1 plus 1 will give you x plus 1, and the symbol change will get here, remember, 0, and we need to proceed. So here we are getting remainder 0, and we need to continue till you get the remainder 0, or the expression should be, or the expression degree should be smaller than the dividend degree. Remember, not dividend, divisor degree. This should be smaller than this. Okay, here power is 1, here it should not be power 1, it should be less than that, the divisor. So the fourth step is to consider the remainder, if any, as a new dividend, and repeat the above step till we obtain a remainder which is either 0 or the polynomial of degree less than that of the divisor. It should be less than the divisor. Degree of the polynomial should be less than. Okay, now you proceed for this one. So your first step, look at your this one and this one. First step, so we'll take x, what number we need to, or expression we need to multiply here. See, there is a power 1, we need here x square to get x cube. So here you take x square and take this one, and whatever part is there, x minus 2, you multiply here, x cube will get here minus 2x square. Take this part, substitute here, that is x cube minus 2x square. Now change the symbol, plus give you minus, minus give you plus. Now you can see that plus x cube minus x cube cancel each other, and here minus 6x square, now it become a plus. Remember, plus 2x square minus 6x square plus 2x will give you minus 4x square plus 9x minus 2. Now you can see that degree is 2, degree is 1. It should be less, your remainder polynomial degree should be less than this, then only we can stop. Will not stop now. Next step, take x and minus 4x square. Your target will be always first, remember. Okay, first case you have already got, and second case now we'll take this one, and whatever thing will be there, it will keep it as same, and here we'll do subtraction, because these are unlike term, we cannot do anything, so it will be remain same without changing any symbol. Look at here, 9x minus 2, it will remain same. Now you need to see that what number or expression you need to multiply here. There's a minus, you take minus. See, minus is very sensitive, so if you'll see that minus, we go for minus here, and then there is a 4, we'll take here 4, and already x is 1x is there, you need one more x, that means minus 4x. So your part is minus 4x. Okay, minus 4x. So check this minus 4x, multiply with this, that means minus 4x will be multiplied with x minus 2, will get here minus plus come minus 4x square, minus minus will be plus, 4 2 jar 8x will get this. So minus 4x plus 8x will take here minus 4x square, sorry, x square plus 8x. So symbol change, minus will give you plus, plus will give you minus, this will cancel each other, and plus 9x minus 8x will give you x, and there's a minus 2. Look at, now both are same, x minus 2, x minus 2 same, so here we'll take 1, so x minus 2, symbol change it here, and no need to cancel, just you put here 0. Okay, so your answer is quotient is what, x square minus 4x plus 1, and remainder is 0. You need to write here remainder is 0. Okay, we'll see one more problem. So let's see, check one problem. So 14, so divide that, divide, question will be divide 14x square minus 753x plus 45 by x 7x minus 9. This is your question. Okay, so how are you going to proceed? Okay, let me take out this one. It is already in arranged order, so take it here, 7x minus 9 as a divisor, and 14x square minus 53x plus 45 as divided. Your first target, first and first, that means what number or expression should be multiplied with this to get your 14x square. See, already 7 is here, so you need 2, x is already there, that's 2x, so you take it here 2x. So take here 2x and multiply it 7x minus 9. So what we'll get, 14x square plus minus give you minus 2 9 18x. So you take whole thing and put it here. That is 4x square minus 18x. Here symbol change, plus will give you minus, and minus here change into plus. This cancel each other. So minus 53 plus 18. So you will get here 6. Okay, 5 here will get 5, and the 2 will be carried 2, and the 3 will get, and minus symbol will be the minus, plus 45. So 7x, take here 7x into what? You need minus 35x. So already x same, so minus is there, we need to take minus. You need only 5. See, minus 5. So you take here minus 5. So minus 5 into this will give you minus 35x. Minus give you plus 5 9 ja 45, and here symbol change. So you can see that both cancel, will get here remainder 0. Here the whatever things you have done in the rough, you don't have to show this one. You can do in your brain or in the mind. No need for this showing this one. Okay, so this way you need to proceed. I hope it is quite clear to you. Okay, one more problem I'll go, where you can see that this is your trinomial. Right now you are taking a binomial, we'll go for the trinomial. Okay, and here we'll go for your quadrinomial. Quadrinomial means degree 4. So take one more problem, like your divisor I'll take here x square plus x plus 1, and I'm taking the quotient from your exercise. So here x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 4. So it's not compulsory that always you will get the remainder 0. It's not compulsory. Okay, but whatever problem has been till now I've taken from the exercise, all give you remainder 0. Sometimes you do not get the remainder 0. We'll proceed now. So your first target, so here x square, x to the power 4, what will we going to take? Do in your mind. Yes, x square. So x square will give x to the power 4. Our target is like this. So we'll take here x square into x square will be x to the power 4. X square into x will give you plus x cube. X square plus 1 will give you plus x square. Now symbol changes. So this will cancel each other. Minus give plus, we will get here minus 3x cube. And here we'll get here plus x square. And whatever remain, we'll keep it same. Okay. Next step, minus 3x cube. X square, you need here minus 3. X square is there, you need x. So minus 3x will take. So minus 3x into this, you will get here minus 3x cube. Minus plus will give you minus 3 1 ja 3 and x square, and here we'll get minus 3x. Symbol changes, plus give you minus, minus give you plus. So this will cancel each other. Plus will give you 4x square. Plus give you plus 4x, and here we'll get here plus 4. So what will we going to do? Plus 4. So if we'll take plus 4, so we'll get here 4x square, because 4 into x square 4x square. 4 into x will give you 4x, and 4 into 1 will give you 4, and just you change the symbol. No need to cancel whole thing, it's look garbage. So just you write here 0, and your answer, that is quotient, and remainder is 0. The quotient is what? X square minus 3x plus 4. This is your quotient, and remainder here we are getting 0. So if we'll get the remainder 0, then you can say that x square plus x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Remember, if it asks you show that x square plus x is a factor of this one, just you divide it and try to get 0. If you won't get, that means you did somewhere mistake. So your target, whenever they say that show that a polynomial is a factor of another polynomial, then you need to show that remainder 0. Okay, so just go the long division method, follow it till you get 0. I hope it is clear. Thank you.